Hi everybody, so this is the Random Center Explains. We're going to do a little 3i Atlas update, and I'm going to limit it to that one topic. Uh, so 3i Atlas first observed on July 1st, 2025. At that point, it was 4.5 astronomical units away from the sun, and a astronomical unit, or AU, is the distance between the Earth and the sun. Uh, Roughly 90 something million miles, 93 I think it is. Uh, at that point, it was red. When it passed Mars, it had changed colors to green. NASA hasn't released anything it could have captured with the Mars orbiter or any of its other space platforms. The one picture I saw released that was leaked from the Japanese Space Agency showed an object with looked like artificial lights on it. Um, it's made of nickel, a nickel alloy, which on Earth is kind of manufactured. But that doesn't mean that somewhere in the universe is a nickel-rich environment. If the universe is big, it's a possibility. Uh, the wow signal. So this is interesting. In 1977, there was a radio signal that is thought to have come from the same region of space as 3i Atlas. If this is a if 3i Atlas made the signal, it could be using those radio signals as a way to navigate if it's a probe and it's not natural. The same way a bat would use sonar. Um, so yeah, I mean, because right now there's been a couple reports that it's emitting radio signals. The jets, like I said, that's pretty strange. The way, because like they're acting with more force on the solar wind than what would be possible with just a natural emission of gas. So there's that. In China right now, they're having a little bit of an issue with their space station. So right now they have 6 astronauts up there. They're rotating 3 for 3. But when their space shuttle was damaged, they're not saying what caused the damage. It could be anything from a solar flare to space debris. But yeah, so right now there's 6 astronauts stuck on the Chinese space station, and China's not saying how or what happened to the space shuttle. Same with NASA, they're stonewalling everybody. The 3i Atlas page on NASA is just the most basic information. You'll find better information on A.R.S.E.org, where a lot of the papers on 3i Atlas are getting published first. Um, so yeah, uh, I mean, I don't think we're alone in the universe. The universe is too big. But whether or not that means 3i Atlas is a probe or a natural comet, it doesn't affect, one is not related to the other. No causation, correlation. Uh, so, I mean, whether or not those other alien civilizations, I guess alien civilizations, uh, are advanced enough or curious enough to make contact with us is not up to us. I mean, anybody that's dating right now knows you can't force first contact. So, I mean, yeah, I mean, I really do think there's something out there. I mean, at the very least, there's microorganisms on any planet with water. It most definitely has life on it. But whether or not that life is intelligent or curious is a whole other question. Um, you know, like yeah, like I said, I don't think there's if 3i Atlas is a probe. I don't think there's an alive being on there. It's more than likely just a probe, and it's releasing probes to see what's out here. Um, so I don't think we're gonna get invaded anytime soon. At least not yet. Let's see what see what they think of the information collected, the aliens or whoever sent 3i Atlas first. No, I'm just joking, but you know, I mean, yeah, there's a very good chance it was a manufactured probe, um, and there's a equal possibility. Well, it's 40-60 alien, 40-60 natural right now, according to Dr. Avilu from Harvard. So, yeah. I mean, in the first week of December, it'll be visible again, and we'll have some more information then on it. So, yeah, until then, I'm going to cut this a little short and say good night and namaste. Like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, hopefully we'll find out more about the Atlas pretty soon. All right, good night, y'all.